Hello viewers, a good number of people want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus and some users actually want to buy iPad 10th generation during Big Billion Days sale, and they have a lot of questions in their mind. Actually, I have made many videos regarding these two tablets, and actually a lots of confusion or queries have been answered through my videos. Yet some users have some specific questions. Some users want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus purely on the basis of note-taking experience. Yes, note-taking experience on Tab S9 FE Plus is actually very good. You will have lots of options in this tablet and you can make use of them to your productivity. If you want to know more about the note-taking experience on Tab S9 FE Plus, I have made a dedicated video about the note-taking experience. You can find that video in the description. With this tablet, you will get the S Pen inside this box, so this is an added advantage. On the other hand, with iPad 10th generation, the note-taking experience is also very good, but you will not get the iPencil along with in the box, so you have to buy that separately. Plus you can buy a third party if you don't want to buy the original one. And as you can see here, the note-taking experience is also equally good. If you want to see the note-taking experience, I have made a dedicated video regarding this also. Links are in the description below. If you compare only on the basis of note-taking experience, I think Tab S9 FE Plus has more features, but it doesn't mean that iPad 10th generation is a bad device in note-taking. If you compare the S Pen with the iPencil alternative, you can see that the S Pen is little bit shorter and user-friendly. On the other hand, it is little bit on the heavier side and it is very thick. You can open the tip like this, but you cannot open this. You have to change the tip when it is damaged. So in this way you can use it, and also you have to double tap on the top to activate it. And the note-taking experience and latency is very good. In this way you can on and off this iPencil. Some users want to play games on iPad 10th generation, and for that reason they want to buy this tablet. Actually it comes with A14 Bionic chipset, so the gameplay will be very smooth on this tablet. So you can play various games like BGMI or any other heavy games. If you are interested, I can make a dedicated video on BGMI gaming. So do let me know in the comment sections below if you are interested to watch those videos. Another highlighting feature between these two tablets is the display. With Tab S9 FE Plus you will get 12.4 inches LCD display, and the color algorithm and deeper blacks are very good on this tablet also. This is a punchier and contrasty color, but if you want brighter color, I would suggest you to buy iPad 10th generation, because iPad 10th generation produces more bright and vibrant color. On iPad 10th generation you can play 4K 60 fps HDR videos, but on the other hand on Tab S9 FE Plus 4K 60 fps actually stutter, so you have to play videos on 1080p 60 fps. In order to transfer file from Android smartphone to Tab S9 FE Plus, in that case you can use Quick Share, and this process actually works fine and you can easily and quickly transfer your files. On the other hand, if you want to transfer files between iPhone to iOS device like iPad 10th generation, you just have to click on everyone and you can use your iPhone and you can transfer any videos within seconds. Let me give you an example. Suppose I want to transfer this video. Okay, so I will click on this share button and then I will select this airdrop option, and I have to turn on Bluetooth, and in my iPad 10th generation I will turn on AirDrop. Now you can see that it is actually transferring my videos. I have to select this iPad and it will instantly transfer the video to my device, as you can see here. This is a very seamless experience. So in this feature you will have a lot of time saving experience. You can quickly transfer your videos, and actually the ecosystem of iOS is better. On the other hand, if you want to know about the multitasking of iPad 10th generation, it is very smooth. Though it has only 4 GB of RAM, it can handle many apps. You can use or open as many apps as you want. And if you talk about the storage of iPhone or iPad 10th generation, that has only 64 GB of internal storage, you can see that only 10 GB is available right now, and I have to delete some things in the form of images and videos. Only then I can use this tablet. So if you are planning to buy 64 GB, in that case you have to delete things regularly. On the other hand, the multitasking on Tab S9 FE Plus is also very good. It comes with DeX feature. This is a very good feature. Actually DeX has two modes, lighter version and the heavier version. So if you want to use like a laptop, you can do that. So you have to enable like this, and if you want to select the classic mode, then you have to exit first, and then let me show you. You have to exit DeX mode, and if you want to use the classic version or the full version, you have to tap like this. But if you select this, it will be selected new. So again you have to actually exit DeX mode, and now you have to click on classic, and in this way you can use Samsung DeX on your Tab S9 FE Plus. And as you can see here, it looks like a PC. You can use your tabs or apps like this, and if you want to go to the home screen, it will be like this. And at the left corner, as you can see, there are options of exit DeX. So if you don't like this feature, you can exit immediately and it will go back into the regular tablet mode. So these are the features that actually Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus has, and there is no such features in iPad 10th generation. So overall, in the conclusion, iPad 10th generation is better according to my choice, but you have to be ready, or you have to manage the 64 GB version. If you can manage that, then iPad 10th generation will be a very good device for longer usage. However, Tab S9 FE Plus is not bad at all. Let me know in the comment sections below which tablet you are going to buy. And if you have any more questions regarding this tablet, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.